Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to save your Word document as a PDF file, or how to convert your Word document into a PDF file. So make sure that your Word document looks exactly how you want it to appear in your PDF file. So now you will go to File in the top left corner of your screen and click on it, and you'll find an option Save As. Click on Save As, and you'll find several options like this PC, browse, and so you may save it at your desired location. So I'm gonna click on this, but you can also go to this PC and desktop, select desktop, and then you can see an option Save As Type. So currently it is Word document, but you need to change it to PDF. So here's an option PDF. Select this option, and now you selected your desired location, and you also select the file type as PDF. Now you click on Save, and it is saves, and it also gives you this PDF file for you to review. But I will show you that I saved it in my desktop, and you'll find it in your desktop by Biodiversity article. So that's what I have saved it here, but you also get a get it open as something to review. So in this tutorial you learned how to save your Word document as a PDF file. Thanks for watching, and if this video was helpful for you, please put your comment below and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.